Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at CPT Markets. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. CPT Markets, a leading online trading platform, caters to the dynamic needs of both novice and experienced traders. The company provides access to a wide array of financial markets, including Forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. And through its user-friendly interface, traders can execute transactions seamlessly, leveraging advanced trading tools and cutting-edge technology. One of the distinguishing features of CPT Markets is its dedication to transparency. The platform operates with a client-first approach, ensuring that users have access to accurate, up-to-date market information. They are also known for their comprehensive educational resources, which are designed to empower traders with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the financial markets successfully. Whether through webinars, tutorials, or market analysis, the platform equips its clients with the tools they need to make informed decisions. As a regulated entity, CPT Markets prioritizes the security of clients' funds and personal information. The platform adheres to strict regulatory standards, providing traders with the assurance that they are engaging in secure and compliant trading activities. The broker is regulated by recognized authorities, and CPT Markets prioritizes the safeguarding of clients' funds. Through their regulatory compliance, CPT Markets demonstrates a dedication to upholding industry best practices, providing traders with the assurance that they are engaging with a reputable and trustworthy platform. CPT Markets offers a diverse array of trading market instruments to cater to the dynamic needs of its clients, which include Forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies, providing them with ample opportunities to diversify their investment portfolios. The broker ensures that their clients have access to a comprehensive selection of instruments, each categorized by liquidity and market depth. Whether traders are looking to capitalize on currency movements, explore the potential of commodities, track market indices, or delve into the world of digital assets, CPT Markets provides a user-friendly platform equipped with advanced tools to facilitate seamless and informed trading decisions. As a trusted financial services provider, CPT Markets prioritizes the security of clients' funds and adheres to a robust regulatory framework. CPT Markets also offers an array of bonuses and promotions, which are designed to enhance the trading experience for its users. Upon registration, new clients receive a welcome bonus, providing them with an initial boost to their trading capital. Some bonuses also go beyond the initial registration phase, and traders have the opportunity to unlock additional bonuses by meeting specified trading criteria, creating a dynamic and rewarding trading environment. One notable promotion involves the chance to earn a $250 bonus. By actively participating in the specified trading activities, clients can capitalize on this promotional offering, adding value to their trading accounts. CPT Markets offers the use of the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader trading platforms. These platforms, which are known for their intuitive interfaces, enable both novice and experienced traders to navigate the financial markets seamlessly. Traders can execute trades effectively, access real-time market data, and utilize a variety of analytical tools to make informed trading decisions. Whether trading on desktop or on the go, their platforms are optimized for a responsive and reliable performance. Their trading platforms go beyond mere execution capabilities and are also designed to empower traders with real-time market data, ensuring that they have access to timely information to make better decisions. CPT Markets offers 3 main account types, as well as a demo account option. These account types are tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders, recognizing that each trader has unique preferences and requirements. The platform offers standard trading accounts suitable for those starting their trading journey, as well as premium accounts with enhanced features for more experienced traders seeking advanced tools and benefits. Each account type comes with competitive spreads, efficient order execution, and access to a diverse range of financial instruments. With the ECN account, traders on the CPT Markets platform benefit from direct market access, allowing them to interact with liquidity providers and access interbank pricing. This results in tighter spreads, reduced latency, and the potential for more competitive pricing on trades. Their Classic account offers traders the opportunity to engage in a diverse range of financial assets, including Forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. With competitive spreads and efficient order execution, traders can navigate the markets with ease and precision. One of the standout features of their Classic account is its simplicity, making it an ideal choice for those who are new to online trading. The user-friendly interface of the CPT Markets platform ensures that traders can execute trades seamlessly and access essential market information effortlessly. Their Prime account offers a comprehensive suite of advanced trading tools and technology, providing traders with the means to execute trades with precision and efficiency. Users of the Prime account can diversify their portfolios and capitalize on market opportunities. One of the standout features of their Prime account is the direct market access it provides. Traders benefit from interacting with liquidity providers and accessing interbank pricing, resulting in tighter spreads, reduced latency, and the potential for more competitive pricing on trades. Creating an account with CPT Markets is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, on their homepage, click on the Open Account button. Choose your preferred account type, and then submit your personal information, such as your username, email, and password. Once your account has been set up and created, you will be redirected to the CPT Markets client portal. Once within their client portal, you can create live or demo accounts, contact support, fund your account, and much more. The next step, after your account has been created, is to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with CPT Markets. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, you have your market watch, and at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms or CTrader, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on the official MetaTrader and CTrader websites to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. CPT Markets supports various deposit and withdrawal methods, including bank transfers and popular electronic payment options, ensuring flexibility for traders to choose the method that best suits their preferences. The platform prioritizes the security of financial transactions, employing robust encryption protocols to safeguard the integrity of clients' funds. Withdrawals at CPT Markets are processed promptly, with clients enjoying the convenience of swift and hassle-free transactions. They are committed to providing transparency throughout the deposit and withdrawal process, ensuring that clients have a clear understanding of the procedures and timelines involved. CPT Markets also offers a comprehensive suite of tools as well as educational resources. These educational resources cover a wide range of topics, catering to traders at various skill levels, from beginners to advanced traders. Through informative articles, video tutorials, webinars, and market analysis, CPT Markets ensures that traders have access to a wealth of information to enhance their understanding of financial markets and refine their trading strategies. For novice traders, the educational resources serve as a valuable introduction to the fundamentals of trading, covering topics such as market analysis, risk management, and the mechanics of various financial instruments. Intermediate and advanced traders, on the other hand, can delve into more specialized content, including technical and fundamental analysis, advanced trading strategies, and market insights. Their news section covers a diverse range of financial instruments, including Forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Traders can access breaking news, market trends, and expert analysis, ensuring that they stay ahead of the latest developments that may impact their trading decisions. The platform's news resources are represented in a user-friendly format, allowing traders to navigate through the latest updates effortlessly. Whether it's geopolitical events, economic indicators, or corporate announcements, their news section strives to deliver a comprehensive overview of the factors shaping global financial markets. CPT Markets has also received recognition and achievements through various awards. The platform has earned acclaim in the industry, reflecting its commitment to excellence and the satisfaction of its clients. Some of their most recent awards include the fastest growing broker, the best regulated broker, the best trading experience, the most innovative broker, among many other awards. Overall, CPT Markets stands as a leading force in the world of online trading, offering a diverse range of accounts and services to meet the unique needs of traders. Traders can benefit from a choice of accounts, each tailored to different levels of experience and preferences, ranging from the user-friendly Classic account to the advanced features of the ECN and Prime accounts. The platform's dedication to technology and direct market access ensures efficient and competitive trading conditions for its clients. They also place a strong emphasis on education, offering a wealth of resources to empower traders with the knowledge they need for success. And as a regulated entity, CPT Markets prioritizes the security of clients' funds and personal information, providing a trustworthy and compliant environment for traders to engage in online trading activities. The broker keeps traders well informed through their comprehensive trading news, providing timely insights into market trends, economic indicators, and geopolitical events. The platform's numerous accolades and industry awards serves as a testament to its consistent delivery for exceptional service and its standing as a reliable financial services provider. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your trading journey, CPT Markets invites you to explore the world of financial markets with confidence and convenience. And that is our overview of CPT Markets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.